And this is why we're doing this journey. We are going to try to hike to one of the waterfalls here. I think it's about a 3-mile round trip hike. So we'll see if we make it.
We probably won't. Made on the map. We're at North Table Mountain Reserve. Waterfall, and it looks super pretty. This is the biggest and best waterfall ever. I give it 5 stars.
And this is why we're doing this journey, so we can experience waterfalls and hike together. And Dallas got to hike down some treacherous terrain. I held her hand. At first she wasn't so sure, and she was but then as it got towards the end, she said, I'm doing it. I love that. That's what it's all about.